Hello everyone, my name is Charles Kings, and if this is your first time of watching my video, I want you to like, comment, share, and also don't forget to subscribe. And most importantly, turn on your notification button so that when next I drop a video about money update, forex analysis, and no deposit bonus to use to trade your free no deposit bonus to trade your forex account, you'll be able to get it. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can claim $50 no deposit bonus by using this platform on the screen. So all you have to do, you don't have to be afraid on how you are going to get to this interface. All you have to do is to click on the link in the description of this video, or once you click on the link, it will take you directly to this place. Once you get to this place, the first thing for you to do is to click on live. So immediately you click on live, it will change the interface. So watch me as I click on the live. So check it out. I'll click on the live now and it will change the interface. So I've clicked on the live, it brings me to this place. All you have to do is to enter your personal information, fill in your first name, your middle name, your last name, your country resident, phone number, email address, password. Enter your password to confirm. And also, how did you hear about Plexi Click on how you heard about Plexi, and after that click on continue. Once you click on continue, you'll see it will take us to the second step, which we are going to get to right now. So this is the second step where it's going to take us to. All you have to do is to enter your gender, your birthday month, your birthday year, your address line number 1, address line number 2, your town, your city, your province, your state, your postal zip code. And after that, once you fill in the necessary details, all you have to do is to click on continue, and it will take you to the last step over here. So the last step, you have to fill in the wallet currency, platform, account currency, and trading type. So watch me as I do my own. So click on USD, and if you are using MT5, or MT4, just choose the one that you are using. So I personally will choose MT5 because MT5 is the one that I usually use. So after you click on MT5, just let me click on MT5 for you to see. So this is it. I've clicked on it. You come down to the account currency, click on USD, you see micro ratio 1:1. You will have to agree to the terms and condition below. As you can see, this is the terms and condition. Enter it, mark it, and after that, all you have to do is to click on submit. Yeah, so it will change the interface. After you click on submit, it will change the interface. So now that we've clicked on submit, I don't know what's wrong with this thing currently, but let's just when you click on submit, it will take you to this place, to authenticator factor setup. So it's going to take you here. What the authenticator app is for you to be able to secure your password, and for you to be able to generate code from this platform to your authenticator app. So what they will do is that they will send a code from this platform to your authenticator app. So all you have to do is to install the authenticator app and register on authenticator app. So you copy this link, you go to your authenticator app. You'll see me in this video. I will also go to my authenticator app. When I copied it, I will copy it. So you paste it. I will show you how you are going to paste it. Just follow me gently as I do the thing. So just pay attention to what I'm doing in this video so that you'll be able to get it. As you can see, I've copied it. All you have to do is to come to the authenticator app on the screen, as you can see over here on the screen. So all you have to do is to click on it. So once you click on it, it will take you to the next step. You will see the next step right now. So you click on add, you come over here, write the name of the code. You can just use Plexido, the name of the platform, or anything. You can use anything you want. So in here, you copy the key that you've copied, you paste it there, and you'll see how we'll get our code right now. So I have been able to get my code, but the reason why they don't show it is because of security purpose. So I have been able to get it. You click on continue. So it will take you to this place where you have to enter the code that you copy. So this is the code in my clipboard. So we'll enter the code right now. So let's enter the code one by one. Since I won't be able to paste it directly, so I prefer entering it one by one for you guys to see how I am doing it. Sorry for the interruption. So let's enter the code one by one. Sorry for the delay. So when you are done entering the code, you click on continue and it will take you to where you are going to do what you are going to do next. So we enter the code and it's bring code is incorrect. That means the code has expired. So all you have to do is to go back to the authenticator app to go and get the new code. So once you get there, you will see it under the name that you use, Plexido or Plexi. So you just click on it to copy it. The reason why they are not showing it right now is for security purpose. So you click on it, you copy it, and you come over here to come and paste it or write it in this place. So watch me as I'm writing 047119. So the next thing for you to do is to click on continue. As you can see me, once you click on continue, it will take you to this place where you have to verify your email. So a code has been sent to your email. All you have to do is to go to your email account, and then once you get there, just copy the code and come over here to come and paste it. So watch me as I go to my email and copy everything and copy the code and come back to where I am, to the platform. So this is our email here. I clicked on it. So watch me. So our email account is still loading. So since they have not, okay, they bring it, you click on it, so you will zoom it, copy it, yeah, copy. So you go back to the platform that you were using, to the Plexi trade platform. You copy, you paste it here, 0017700. So once you are done, you just have to click on confirm email. So it will take us to where we want to be exactly, to where we are going to claim our no deposit bonus. So here you will enter competition, because this interface is where we are going to claim our no deposit bonus. Just scroll down. So you have to agree with the terms and conditions below. Scroll down. So mark the agree with the terms and condition, mark it, mark the box. So once you mark the box, all you have to do is to click on enter competition. So you see me, I'll click on it right now. So I've clicked on it. So you just come down, choose the platform that you want to use, whether you want to use MT5 or MT4. So depending on your own choice. So I personally want to use MT5, so I'll click on it right now. I'll click on submit. So as you can see, your submission was successful. So since our submission has been successful, here is what you are going to do. An email, a code has been your password details and your login details that you will use to log in on MT5 Trader app has been sent to your email. All you have to do is to go to your email account, then copy your login, copy your password, and go to your MT5 to log it in. So in this video, I will show you how you are going to do it right now. So pay close attention to how you are going to know about how you are going to log it in on your MT5 app. So this is it. Let's leave this interface. So let's look for our MT5 app. This is our MT5 app above. Click on it. Click on the 3 line above. Click on the add button, the plus button. Click on it. It's over there on top. So let's click on it. We've clicked on it. Look for the name of the platform you are using, which is Plexi Trade. As you can see, this Plexi Trade Limited. So all you have to do is to click on it. Click on it over here. Bounce. So your login, your password has been sent to your email. Go to your email to go and copy it and paste it over there in order for you to log in. So all you have to do is to refresh. You see, I will refresh it right now. I've refreshed it. They will bring it. New trading account has been created. Click on it. So once you click on it, you will zoom it. So this is your login. Copy your login code. So go to your platform and paste your login. As you can see, this login space, paste it over there. Go back to go and copy your password. So copy it, go back to the platform to go and paste it over there. So once you are done pasting, now that we are done pasting, we'll click on login. So that's, we have been able to claim our $50 no deposit bonus. It is just as simple as that. So you can now come to your chart. You can click on chart over here. Once you analyze the chart, you can start trading. As you can see, $50 has been claimed. So that's it, guys. I love you so much. That's so, also lastly, you must know the terms and condition, and that's what I will be showing you. How you can, what the terms and condition is about is that the rules and regulation that you are going to follow in order for you to be able to withdraw from it, because without you obeying the rules, you won't be able to withdraw from it. So it is important that you obey the rules. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can see the rules and obey them, because if you don't see the rules, you won't be able to obey them. So watch very well in this video. As you can see below, view rules under enter competition and leaderboard. So what you're going to do is to click on view rules. Click on view rules. So you will watch me, pay attention to what I'm doing right now. I've clicked on it. So it will bring the rules. No EA robot use, lot size mass of 0.1 per order, mass number, open order, open and pending 5. So the only thing you can trade here is FX, Meta, and index fund. Those are the only thing you can trade. Anything apart from that, you can't trade. So the minimum, you must be active for 10 days. If you trade very well and you are not active for 10 days, your trade will all be in waste, because you won't be able to withdraw from it. So as you are trading, make sure you follow all of this rule, and you can also screenshot it so that you won't forget it, because if you forget and you don't obey the rules, you will not be able to withdraw. So I love you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Turn on your notification button so that you'll be able to see more money updates and all other things that I will be dropping in my YouTube channel. All right, have a nice day. I love you guys. I love you so much.